In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that you might have missed out on last week and things that you should be made aware about if you're in the US, Canada, or Europe. So let's get started. Now, first and foremost, due to operation constraints by FedEx, our overnight delivery shipping service is temporarily unavailable. Services are expected to be restored early next week. Thank you for your understanding. As you can see here are the options that are currently available. We have new Hard OLED displays for the iPhone 16 series. And if you aren't already part of the GAPP program, MacBook parts have been added to that, so highly recommend checking those out. Also in the US, there's been a massive price drop on Apple devices, including the iPhone 16s, iPad 11, Apple Watches, and more. So take some time to browse through those different models. Everything from new sealed to grade A, grade B, and grade C and D at phenomenal prices, so that you can have something to offer to your customer. In Canada, there's been a display price drop for the Google Pixels, and the new Hard OLEDs for the iPhone 16 series are also available in Canada. And in Canada, we have a lot more to add to our catalog, such as Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, and Lenovo. So take some time to explore those parts for all of those different brands, as we know that they are very popular, and having these options will definitely help you when those customers call and you've had to source them elsewhere. Last Tuesday, I covered a video made by a YouTuber showing how to upgrade the memory from a 256 gig to a 1 terabyte on the newest iPhone 17 Pro Max. It was a fun video to review. If you have any recommendations, leave them in the comments below. I also showed a method for replacing the charge port on an iPad Pro, specifically the 10.5, and I showed one of the multiple methods for replacing the charge port, this one, the actual port itself on the Flex. So if you haven't done that and you've only been doing the whole Flex cable, I recommend checking that out. And I had a little bit of fun doing a poetic style video showing the process of replacing the screen on an iPad Pro 11-inch. If you're one to stray away from iPads, it's actually not that difficult, and you should definitely do them. I've got a bunch of fun videos planned for this week, including replacing the LCD panel on a MacBook Air, so make sure you have the notifications turned on for that. If you have a specific tool or repair that you'd like to see in a future video, let me know in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.